What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone for You. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can recover your phone if it has been bricked and cannot boot on at all. So I have the Xiaomi Mi 11 and as you can see it's stuck on the fast boot mode. Every time I want to restart it, I'm just gonna press the power to reboot the phone. And it keeps going there, it's not booting up at all, so you cannot reboot this phone. But just bear in mind, this phone has been unlocked already, so I'm gonna show you how you can download the ROM and then flash the phone and recover your phone in no time. But first you need to go onto the PC. Open your internet browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you have. The procedure is the same. So go onto English en.miui.com. And then click on the download section. And then on the drop down in the middle of the page, you just click on the arrow and select your phone, or if your phone is not on the list below, just check in this list and select your phone. So I've got the Mi 11 and then submit. And then from here just click on the flashing guide on the side, and then what you need to do, just on the left click on the fastboot updates. Then scroll down, but first you need to download the MIUI ROM flashing tool, which is there. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again, but just if in case you don't have it, just click on the link on the top link and then it will download it for you. And then once you download the flashing tool, and then find your phone. So I'm just gonna find the latest global stable for the Mi 11. If you have a different Xiaomi, you can just scroll down and find the relevant phone you have. So I have the Mi 11 stable, so I'm just gonna click on that, the link, and then it will start downloading the ROM for you. So I got both software downloaded. I'm just gonna put on both here. So this is the only two things you're gonna need. But you need to make sure you have all the driver installed before you do this, otherwise it won't read your phone. So next you need to right click on this the Mi Flash, and then just extract to the file, and then extract here, and then do the same for the ROM. Just right click and then extract, then OK, and then that will extract the ROM into this folder. So while you wait, you just plug your USB-C to the phone, and then wait until you finish extracting. Okay, that has now finished extracting. So just open the Mi Flash, and then you need to run the Xiaomi Mi Flash .exe. Just double click on that. Then if you do refresh, your phone should show there. If it doesn't show, make sure your USB cable is plugged in and you have all the necessary driver installed, like the ADB driver, the Qualcomm driver, and the Xiaomi driver. If you don't have the driver installed, you can just click on drivers and then install, and this Xiaomi flash tool will install all these drivers for you. So, and then the next thing, you just click on select and then browse to where the ROM folder is. So I have mine on the desktop, so I'm just gonna go onto the desktop on this folder, and then select the Mi Flash. So just select the second folder inside the global ROM and then click OK. and then at the bottom you have to make sure you select clean all. Otherwise, if you lock your bootloader after flashing the ROM, because this is the global ROM, into the Chinese phone, your phone will get stuck on a boot loop. It won't boot up after you lock the bootloader, so you just have to do clean all and then click on flash. So once you click flash, if you get this error, anti-rollback check error, yeah, don't worry, I'll show you how you can fix this error. Just go back onto this folder where you have your ROM unzipped. So, and then double click on this and then open this folder. As you can see, so when you click on flash, it's running this flash underscore all.bat. That's the one it's running. So find that within that folder, and then right click and then edit, but do follow this carefully, don't delete anything else, otherwise it will corrupt your ROM. So just right click on this folder and then click on edit, leave anything which has got fastboot. You just need you to select up to it is 8 line there, you need to select, and then you can just press delete on your keyboard or right click and then delete. Once you clear those lines, all you need to do just click file and then save, and then close this, then go back once, and then you need to copy this the whole folder, click on the local disk C drive on the left, and then right click within this drive and then paste it. So what is it gonna, it's gonna copy that ROM into the C drive for you. Just wait till it's finished copying it over. Okay, next you need to go back to the Mi Flash tool and then click select, because now we move the ROM to the C drive. So click on select and then go back, this, and then all you need to do, you need to go C drive with the local disk, expand that, click on the arrow, then go down and find your folder you just copy over. Is that Venus Global, and then just do OK. Now if you do refresh, so make sure your phone is still show there, and double check to make sure clean all is selected, and then now you can just click flash. So the phone has now rebooted. It will show an error on at the end on the Mi Flash, but don't worry, that as long as your phone is just auto reboot, and then it will proceed to the flashing of the initial one. So the initial boot takes a few minutes, so just leave it running, and I'll show you how can go through the initial setup. So I can just now close this and come off the PC. Then I'll unplug the cable, it's no longer required. So I'm just gonna let the phone proceed to the initial boot up. There you go. So the phone is now back on, and you can just proceed and use your phone and no problem. I'm just gonna go to the settings. This is the now on the official global ROM with the multi languages. Okay, there you go. So this method works with any Xiaomi phone, and you just need to make sure you have the correct ROM downloaded for your phone. That's it from me. That's how you can recover your phone if it's stuck on a boot loop or in fast boot mode. You just need to make sure you put it in fast boot mode by pressing the volume down and power so that it reboot to fast boot mode, and then use this method to recover your phone. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.